Want a chic boost for fine hair? These featherlight shag cuts add instant volume and effortless texture you'll love. 1. Classic soft layered shag. Feathered layers create subtle lift and airy motion, ideal for fine, straight hair needing shape without heavy volume. 2. Wispy shag with curtain bangs. Face-framing bangs blend into soft layers, giving dimension to flat hair, best for oval and heart-shaped faces. 3. Chin-length Shag Bob, short and layered with textured ends. This cut adds instant volume, perfect for fine hair and petite face shapes. 4. Long soft shag with side part. Light layers from cheek to chest enhance body and flow. Works well on fine, shoulder-length hair. 5. Layered shag with tapered ends. Tapered ends give a fluttery finish, ideal for those who want soft texture without losing length. 6. Pixie shag with choppy fringe, a modern twist on the shag pixie hybrid, great for fine hair and bold, angular face shapes. 7. Collarbone shag with flippy layers. Mid-length layers flipped out at the tips add bounce, perfect for square and round faces needing softness. 8. Tousled shag with middle part. Loose tousled layers and a center part give a balanced, boho vibe, ideal for naturally wavy fine hair. 9. Razor cut shag with soft waves. A razor finish creates airy texture and movement, great for ultra-fine hair that lacks volume. 10. Shag with delicate bangs. Wispy bangs and airy layers create softness around the face, perfect for narrow foreheads and thin hair. 11. Chin-Grazing soft shag. Ultra short, softly layered cut that hugs the chin, great for showcasing cheekbones on oval faces. 12. Messy shag with voluminous crown. Lifted crown and textured body create the illusion of thicker hair, works well on aging hair that's thinning. 13. Angled soft shag bob. Angled cut with soft back layers adds shape and density, ideal for elongating rounder faces. 14. Shag with blunt micro bangs. The contrast between blunt bangs and feathered layers makes this edgy yet wearable, best for confident styles. 15. Neck-length shag with side-swept bangs. Short, soft layers and side bangs open up the face, excellent for fine hair needing definition. 16. Voluminous shag with crown layers. Crown layering lifts fine strands at the roots, works for anyone seeking height without harsh styling. 17. Wavy soft shag with sun-kissed highlights. Natural waves and subtle highlights amplify the light texture, ideal for summer refreshes on fine, long hair.